The fact that we probably only had about 2-3 weeks. 3 weeks, I think, more or less to prepare. Outside shot here, and that's Bobby Ray Parks. That left-handed. Actually, ito magandang game ito, but we just have to win it, no? Kasi natututo mga players natin dito. They haven't really played well much together with each other. And this is the best player that we have right now on the floor.
8 points for Bob.
Paul shot si Chua eh. Kaya balik na si Era. But good rebound. Chua did give 2 points, and here we go again.
Ray Parks has taken over the second quarter.
May foul pa yun. Hindi lang pinituan yun. But again, that's where Era is so important to us. Clearing boards and follow-up shots. Oh,
Nice
sinayaw
move by
pa.
Bolin.
Yes! And
Finishing
what?
through the foul.
Nakita mo yung mga lahat ng players doon. No? Nakatayo sila. Trotter. Buti na lang. Nasave natin.
Parks takes another 3.
Oh!
Ray hits his third.
Best player for us already.
Absolutely.
And to react to what the opponents are doing. They're in the zone right now. See? You have to take the shot when you're open. You cannot hesitate. And that's what he probably reminded them.
Parks attacking the closeout, slows down. Bigay kay Chua, only 2 to shoot. Parks has to take it. Good line. Hindi lang pumasok Ravenna with the offensive rebound and the stick back.
Tama yun. May foul. Will be a 2, di ba? In the group
Yes.
A.
Well, we have to be careful against Vietnam. No? Kasi di ba kung mag-end up na 1-all lahat at magkaroon ng quotient system, Malaysia won against Vietnam by 26.
Tignan mo yung Philippine crowd, ha? Tignan natin kung makatapos tayo dyan ng fast break.
They opt for a 3 and it goes!
Money! Napatay yung mga Pilipino.
You
Hindi.
play one less game.
Although I think sa Philippines, we could use a lot more workouts. Eh. And kung mas marami, veteran, relax, boys.
He has the ball now. Ray says, excuse me.